Hi there. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the relative month index tool as quickly as possible without a lot of explanation. If you want more explanation, there are several other videos on the subject. This one's assuming you just want to get to it super duper quick. So let's get started. Close that guy. Here's a model with our regular counter table. We've already got one. We want to append the relative month index, relative year index, and relative day index to it. So we're going to open up. We're going to go find our CSG Pro relative date generator. It's just a text file. Double click on it. Control A to select everything, Control C to copy, minimize that. Come over here, we're going to go to Home and get data. We're going to get a blank query. We're going to go to the Advanced Editor. Select all this stuff and write over it with the tool. Control V to paste. Click Done. Okay, so now we've got everything in there. We're going to change this to LUT for lookup table, relative date. Okay, we're going to set the properties. We're going to disable load to report. We don't want this part of the data model. It's just here for the dim dates. Just going to be used to populate that. Okay, so now we're going to make sure that we've got our start date and end date for this tool. It encompasses all the dates in the date calendar. So if this went back to say 1995, we'd want to set our start date to 1995, and say it went all the way through 2021, we'd extend the end date to 2021. And if you come down here, it's, follow suit. Okay, so now we've got that. We've disabled the load. We're going to head over to dim dates. We're going to combine with the merge query. We're going to merge off the lookup table. We're going to merge on date, and it is indeed a left outer join. If these are out of sync, you're going to want to go back and make sure that your start date and end date are correct. Hit OK. Hit the rabbit ears. Disable date. Disable system date. You don't have to, but it's probably a good idea. Definitely want to disable use original column name as prefix. Click OK. Great. So now they're in the model. We're going to go ahead, hit close and apply. Okay, so now we have to make sure that the relative year index did indeed come in as a whole number. If this was text, you'd change it. Relative month index is a whole number. Perfect. Relative day index is a whole number. Perfect. Great. Now we can go ahead and do our sorting. Click on current year or relative year index. And we're going to do sort by a relative year index. Or we're going to select relative year index label and sort by relative year index. Great. And so for relative month index label, we're going to sort by relative month index. And for relative day index label, we're going to sort by relative day index. Okay. And we're going to come on in here. And now we can go ahead and, let's see, drag this over here, turn it into a slicer, like this. And we can also use the numeric version to do a pageable filter. So we're going to take this and throw it on pageable filter. We're going to come down, and we're going to show is less than or equal to 2 and greater than or equal to -6, which is to say the pageable filter is only going to show values starting 2 months from the current month and 6 months back from the current month. So when I come down here and apply filter, now this works just perfectly. Okay, just show it to you in all its glory. Okay, I do hope that was helpful, and I will see you next video.